Hey, what's up guys? It's LBS here again, your tech guide. So today's video, we are going to be checking out some more iPhone 10 cases for you guys. So right here, we've got Shieldon. They are pretty much famous or popular when it comes to flip wallet case, leather flip wallet cases. Right here are the flip leather cases, and on my right, they've got your standard typical looking cases here. It is a shockproof, 2-in-1 shockproof, and you've got the transparent one and you've got the black color one here. So as you can see off the bat right there, they've changed the warranty, updated version, 1-year warranty changed to lifetime warranty. So right there, that is huge, guys. So if your case is all of a sudden it just breaks by itself, you've got this nice lifetime warranty that you could just bring it back and hopefully they will give you a new one. Well, no question asked. So let's open them up one by one and see what it looks like on my iPhone 10. So here we go. So the first one we've got here is the flip wallet case. It is a genuine leather case, and we've got the black color. So let me just put this, guys, on the side here for now, so we could focus on this case right here. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful case. Okay, and you've got this thank you card or something. All right, and you've got 3 pockets inside for your credit cards or anything that you want to put in there. So let me just show you guys what it looks like. And of course, you've got your big wallet pocket in the side here for your paper money, just to show you what it looks like. And your cradle for your iPhone 10. So let me just grab my iPhone 10 here and show you what it looks like. Okay, just make sure that I don't scratch my phone here from this thing here, which you eventually will be cutting it off. And that's what it looks like, guys. Very sleek looking wallet case. And of course, the back, you've got your camera cutout there. On the bottom, they are exposed. You've got access to the power button and so on. Okay, and of course you could use this wallet case as a stand as well. If you're watching your YouTube video, you could slant it like this and it will sit nice and properly on the table with that angle, viewing angle right there. All right, so that is the black version. So let's check out the other color. So it's pretty much the same thing, but just different color. Wow, look at that red color, guys. Wow, that is hot. So in real life, it is a little bit lighter than what you see on the camera, because I'm looking at the monitor right now. It looks pretty bright on the monitor, but in real life, it is slightly darker than what you are seeing right now on the screen monitor. So the same thing, you've got your 3 pockets in there, your big wallet, big pocket on the side, and let's put on the phone so we can see what it looks like. Okay, there it is. Looks really, really hot, guys. Really, really hot. If you're into red color, check this case out. Okay, let's just put the paper money and all the cards. Okay, there it is. Very, very sexy. Okay, so again, this one you could just cut out. That's no problem. Okay, now let's check out the other 2 cases. All right, so now we've got this 2-in-1 shockproof case. Let's check this thing, what this thing is all about. Okay, nice presentation. Look at that. Very, very nice. And here is the case, and it looks like what we have here. Just warranty policy and so forth. And nothing else in there. So the case itself, here it is. It looks like it is a two-piece case. You've got this silicone rubbery case inside with this nice groove texture inside there, and for the outer case you've got this solid plastic. Okay, so let's grab our phone. All right, and we could put the back plating, and there it is. Very, very nice. It's somewhat of a slim profile look to it. It doesn't give you any bulkiness or anything like that. Your camera is well protected there. On the front, it does have an outer lip, a very slim outer lip to protect the front screen display. And of course, all your buttons are covered except the silent toggle switch over there. Bottoms are exposed, and there it is. Very, very nice, and it feels great in the hand as well. All right, so let's check out the last case. All right, so the last one is a see-through case. Let me just cut the tape here. All right, here it is, the see-through case, and is it a two-piece? Okay, so it looks like it's a one-piece. It is a scratch-resistant transparent bumper case. All right, very, very nice, lightweight. It feels great in the hand. You got this rubber texture all around it, and the back is just straight-up plastic. So let me grab my white iPhone here so that we could see the beauty of this device. Boom, look at that. So this one here, it looks like there is a sticker, so you could remove that so that you don't, yeah, you could actually remove this on the back here. It's got a sticker, and that's what it looks like, guys. Very, very nice. So all the buttons right here are covered, bottom are exposed, and cover on the other side as well. The camera are, whoa, okay. I don't know if there's any elevation on the camera, but it feels like it is flush to the camera. Okay, it feels like it's flush. It doesn't have that extra elevation to protect the camera, but I'm using the dummy, the white iPhone dummy right now, so I'm gonna use my black one and really see if it does protect the camera. But anyways, it feels great in the hand, guys. It is lightweight, and the profile is pretty slim compared to the other one, or almost pretty much the same. Okay, let's check out the black one and see what it looks like on this. So this is a dummy phone, guys. So this, oh, and here is the authentic iPhone 10. So let's see if it does protect the back camera here. It looks like there is a slight, very, very slim elevation. So there is a lip there, right here on the outer edge. It does have an elevation to protect the camera. And on the front, let's see, on the front, it does have an outer lip. So your screen display is well protected there as well. So that's pretty much it, guys. That is your Shieldon cases for your iPhone 10. I will put all the links down on the description below if you guys are interested in getting one. And once again, thank you for watching. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.